Clients are involved with the litigation process starting from day one. So in the very beginning, when a client contacts us, the first thing that we do is a preliminary investigation. What we're trying to do is gather all the evidence and information that we can from the potential client to determine what the possible claims are and to assess whether or not it's something that we can assist them with. A typical lawsuit from start to finish really depends on the parties, because the parties will dictate whether or not there is some type of resolution or settlement that can be reached prior to getting to trial. So a lawsuit can range from just a matter of days to a couple of years. If the parties cannot reach a settlement, whether it's with our initial demand letter or with the initiation of the lawsuit, then we progress the lawsuit and we prepare it to go to trial, because ultimately that is the end result that occurs should the parties not come to a resolution. All that we ask for clients to do is to be honest with us from the beginning, because it's much easier to deal with something when I'm aware about it as opposed to being surprised by it later down the road. During each phase of the litigation process, prior to that phase happening, we will sit down with the client and make sure that they're aware of what's going to happen and what's going to come up, and to make sure that the client is prepared for that next step. Our job at the end of the day is to make sure that we're either maximizing our client's recovery or minimizing our client's total liability. If you're looking for aggressive representation in the courtroom, contact Litigation PC.